Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how to get private key on your Solflare. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Solflare app on your phone. And after opening the Solflare app here, you have to tap on your wallet, for which tap on this icon that you can see in the top left corner right here written MW. So after tapping on it here, you can see this is your wallet. So you have to select the wallet that you want to get the private key of. Here I'm going to select the main wallet because this is the only wallet that I have currently. So long press on this wallet just like this, and then this will pop up, and in here you can see the option of export private key. Simply tap on it in order to get your private key. Here you can see currently this is blurred, so in order to see it, tap on the show option right here. So if you have added any kind of biometrics, your fingerprint or your face ID or fingerprints will be required. So if you haven't set any of that, it won't be required. So here you can see my face ID was required, and like this you can see your private key in here. You can simply just tap on this option copy in order to copy your private key and paste it somewhere safe. Just like this, you can see it is now copied to your clipboard, and now you can go save it on your notes or wherever that you feel safe. And that is it. That is how you get your private key on Solflare. I hope this video helps. If it does, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.